Hi there, and thanks for joining us. You really need to watch this video if you struggle with cutting through tough materials on the job site. So let's talk about hydraulic cutters. From construction sites to power generation plants and maintenance workshops, cutting through tough materials can be a problem. Traditional methods like angle grinders and blowtorches are risky and less efficient. So here's why you need to look at hydraulic cutters. These power-packed tools cut through bars, chains, and cables as if it's butter. And when you need to break up old equipment, hydraulic decommissioning cutters make it super easy. Different projects need different solutions. But the good news is there's many different types of hydraulic cutters available. Whether you're dealing with rebar on a construction site or thick wire and cable, there's a hydraulic cutter designed for the job. Breaking loose a seized or corroded nut is not everyone's idea of fun unless you've got a hydraulic nut cutter. And let's not forget combined cutter spreaders, the Swiss Army knives of cutting tools. So to wrap up, what makes these tools so special? These cutters apply force evenly, making the job safer and more controlled. No sparks flying, no overheating, just clean and efficient cuts every time. So next time you're facing a tough cutting challenge, remember, a hydraulic cutter could be your go-to tool for improved safety and efficiency. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.